Let's say you have some objects or something you want to iterate about and do some operations. For that we have for, within for we have two types, and while, do while in JavaScript. And let's see how to comment out on JavaScript, and what is ternary operator, and what is $0 parameter in JavaScript. Okay, I'll be explaining that. Let's get some knowledge. Let's say we have one array. Okay, I'll just print that. See, 1, 2, 3, 4. But if I want to get one element at each time, I'm using for loop. That's it. First, initialization. Like in for, we have to pass three parameters. First, initialization and condition, and increment or decrement. In initialization, let's say I'll take like let I equal to 0. I less than, have to take this array length, right? For that, I'm using a dot length, then I plus plus, and I am printing console.log of a of I. Okay. So 1, 2, 3, 4. Like that, we can iterate the array using for loop. And there are two types, right? In for loop, we have for off loop and for in loop. Okay. For off loop and for in loop. See, we can use this double forward slash for commenting out for for single line, or else we can use slash star star slash for commenting like more number of lines. I'm using for off loop for e of a. Okay, I'm printing that of I. For that, I'll give different parameters like 10, 20, 30, 40. Okay. See here, if I use the of, I'm getting like 10, 20, 30, 40, which is the elements of array. But observe, if I use in, I'm getting 0, 1, 2, 3. So for in loop provides indexes. Okay. And for off loop provides elements in a array. It's not restricted to array. We can use map, which can be iterable. And this is about for thing. And let's see how we can use while and do while. While one condition's true, we are executing some operations. Until that condition gets false, we are executing that operation. Let's say we have let I equal to 0 while I is less than let's say 5. Okay, we are doing some operations like console.log of let's say Tony. Okay, we have to increment it, right? See, first I will be 0, 0, 1, 2, 3, 4. So it will execute for 5 times. That's why we are getting 5 times the Tony. That's it. The two conditions executes to false. Until that, these statements get executed. If I use do while, I'm telling like do console.log of Tony I plus, I mean incrementing that I, while some conditions I is less than 5. See the output. First we are printing, and after that we are checking the condition whether it's true or false. We are using this to execute at least one time the statement. If I equal to let's say 10. Okay, this condition executes to false, right? But if we use do console, I'm printing that console.log of I'm printing this let's say Tony only. See, even though I is not less than 5, the statement is executing. So for executing at least one time, we are using do while loop. That's about for, while, and do while. And in a switch statement, we can use break to break that loop, or we can use the continue to continue and start executing from starting. Let's see what is ternary operator. It's like if statement. If something is true, we are assigning some value to another variable. If that is false, we are assigning different value. Like we can say it's a if else statement. Let's take let a equal to 10. Okay, and I'm assigning some value to b. See, I'm checking condition here. If a is less than let's say 5. Okay, I'm using question mark. If a is less than 5, I'm assigning Tony to b, or else I'm assigning stock to b. I'll quickly print that. See, a is 10. A is not less than 5, right? So that's why this star gets assigned to b. If a is less than 50, if the statement executes to true, this Tony value gets assigned to b, or else the star value gets assigned to b. It's like if else statement. Okay, this is a ternary operator. Let's quickly see what is $0 parameter. I'm opening the inspect page. See, this is the HTML page, HTML code for this page. Okay, like for this page, this is the HTML code. If I click on any line, it will become, it is assigned to $0 parameter. Okay. And what is the use of this? Let's see in console. If I write $0, I'm getting this. See, this is the thing. This whole code I get in console using $0 parameter. We can use like document dot get element by id or get element by tag name to get some elements. Okay, but instead of that, let's say I want this. Okay, I want this, I want to get this, and I want to use for other purpose. Instead of writing like document dot get element by id or get element by tag name, that link, just I'll place the cursor here and I can use $0 in console. This whole line will get printed. I mean, it will stored in a $0. We can use in different for different purpose. See, I can get the link of that using href, the link. Yeah, that's about $0 parameter. I hope you like this video. If you guys like this video, give it a thumbs up and let me know your thoughts in a comment section. Okay, I'll come with more interesting topics in our next video. See you. Bye.